My name's Michael Furey. My business is Delta Portfolios, which is a recent business, the merger of Delta Research and Advisory and Furey's Investment Services. We provide asset consulting services to the financial planning industry. Basically, our job is to make our clients' life a bit easier. But we operate through an investment committee. It's multi-asset and multi-manager advice that we provide. I developed a system called Delta Factors, which is not in English. It's a multi-factor analytics system for assessing performance. In English, it really helps us determine, I guess, the role of an investment in a broader portfolio. Delta Factors, as an analytics system, has around 3,000 strategies in its database. So it's pretty comprehensive across all asset classes, cash, bonds, hedge funds, equities, Australian, local, property, infrastructure, you name it. So in the equity space, we're covering, I think a couple of thousand strategies, give or take. If I was to do a search for, low beta, value style, very idiosyncratic with the risk contribution, I'm not going to find another strategy in our database that's like Talaria, and that's a fact. So part of the reason we use Delta Factors is to provide us an objective view, an objective measurement of the way funds behave. And objectively, Talaria is different. They are sellers of volatility. They sell put options to enter, they sell call options to exit. That enables them to produce high income, which in global equities, there are not too many high income producers. And as a whole, they have a very uncorrelated relationship with the global equity market. And that is, I guess, that alternative characteristic makes them quite idiosyncratic in the context of global equity managers as well. So when you put the whole lot together, they're high income, they've got a value style, they've got a low correlation to equity market, and they've got a low beta, so a low exposure to the market as well, which gives them very defensive characteristics as well. So the sum of the whole there makes them very unique in the Australian marketplace. We use Talaria for income generation. That can be very beneficial for pension portfolios where income's important. I mentioned before that Talaria has a low market beta, and related to that is the low volatility. That can also be beneficial in a pension portfolio when an investor is drawing out of the portfolio, because they have to worry less about the massive swings of markets, because Talaria has probably less than half the volatility of markets in recent times. What we bring is an objective view that hopefully improves their portfolios, where we can identify opportunities, or confirms that what they're doing is good.